Now our topic is zero state response and input response. Suppose we have RL circuit. Now to find the instantaneous current in this circuit, if we applied voltage across this, to find the instantaneous current across this circuit, we will find voltage equation for this circuit. Okay, that should be a function of time, right? Then we will convert this voltage equation into Laplace transformation. Okay, then we will solve this equation, and the last step is to perform inverse Laplace transformation. So that we will get a time function equation, right? Now this RL circuit can be any circuit. Okay, we need to find the system model. Now there is another method where we convert this solution into two part. Okay, one will be zero state response and one is zero input response. Okay, so we need to split this equation into two form. एक होगा तुम्हारा zero input response and another will be zero state response. Now to understand this we will take an example. Okay, हम कोई भी एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सपोज 3d² x by dt square plus 0.6 dx by dt plus 1.5 x is equal to 6y. Okay, this is y of t and this is x of t. Okay, and the initial value is given as x of 0 minus is 0 and x dash of 0 minus is minus 2. Okay, now input of this system step function. Okay, so we all know step function. What is step function? That is u of t. Okay, it should be like that. This is step function. Okay, u of t will be 1 if t is greater than 0. First we will take zero input response. Okay, so in this equation what is input? That is y of t. So instead of using y of t we will put y of t as a 0 because we need to find response at 0 input. Okay, so this is input, so we need to put y of t as 0. So the equation will be 3 double differentiation of x plus 0.6 single differentiation of x plus 1.5 x is equal to 0. Okay, and it's better if we write x as x zi, that is 0 input. Okay, so this will be zi zi zi. Okay, now we will take Laplace transformation of this equation. So this will be 3 s square x zi of s minus s x, this should be capital, x zi of 0 minus differentiation of x zi of 0 minus, okay, plus 0.6, this will be s x zi of s minus x of 0 minus, plus 1.5 into, so this will be also x zi, this will be x zi of s is equal to 0. Now we'll take these initial conditions, okay. So x of 0 minus is 0, x dash of 0 minus is 2, so this will be 0, right? X of 0 minus is 0, this will be 0, okay, and this will be minus 2. So we'll substitute this value in this equation. We will get 3 s square x zi of s minus, this is minus of minus 2, so this will be 2, plus 0.6 s x zi of s plus 1.5 x zi of s, this is equal to 0. Now this x zi can be written as minus 2 divided by, or I write it first, minus 6, okay, minus 6 divided by 3 s square plus 0.6 s plus 1.5 s. This can be written as minus 2 divided by s square plus 0.6 s, sorry, this will be 0.2 s plus 0.5. Now we can write this equation as x zi of s is equal to minus 2, and we can break this in form of s plus 0.1 whole square plus 0.7 whole square. So 0.7 will be 0.49 and this 0.1 will be 0.5, okay. Now while taking inverse Laplace transformation of this equation, we can write x of t, x zi of t is equal to minus 2.86 e to the power minus, this will be s 0.1, right, s plus 0.1, so we can write s minus 0.1 t into sine, what is omega here, 0.7 t, okay, because what is 1 divided by, sorry, omega divided by s square plus omega square, this is nothing but sine omega t, okay. So this is the inverse Laplace transformation of omega by s square omega square. Now we will find zero state response, okay, this is 1, this is 2, zero state response. Here we will write x of z as zero state instead of x, okay. So this equation will be 3 x double dash of zs plus 0.6 x dash of zs plus 1.5 x zs is equal to 6 y of t, right. Now if we take Laplace transformation of this equation, this can be written as 3 s square x of, sorry, this will be x zs of s minus s x zs of 0 minus x differentiation of z as 0 minus, okay, plus 0.6 s into x zs of s minus x zs of 0 minus differentiation of x zs of 0 minus plus 1.5 x zs is equal to 6 y of s. Okay, so y of s is input. So what is input here? Input is step function, and what is the Laplace transformation of step function? That is 1 by s. So we can write this as 6 by s. Now we are taking 0 state response, okay, 0 state response. So all the initial condition in this equation will be equal to 0. So we can put this equation, this part of equation, to be equal to 0. So we will get 3 s square plus 0.6 s plus 1.5 into x of zs is equal to 6 by s, right? And x zs is equal to 6 divided by s, 3s square plus 0.6 s plus 1.5. Okay, we can write this equation as 2 divided by s square plus 0.2s plus 0.5. okay, and this can be written as a by s plus bs by bs plus c divided by s square plus 0.2s plus 0.5. Now to find the value of ABC, first we will write 2 is equal to a s square plus 0.2s plus 0.5 plus bs square plus cs. Okay, we took the LCM and this denominator is same, right? So it will get cancelled out. Now if we write this as 2 is equal to a plus b s square plus 0.2a plus c s plus 0.5a. okay, so compare the like terms in both the side. Okay, so this is actually 0s square plus 0s plus 2. okay, so compare this term. You can see here s square 0s square, this is s, 0s, and this is 0.5a and this is 2. So with the help of this equation, by comparing like terms, we can write a is equal to 2 by 0.5. so this can be written as 4. Similarly, a plus b is 0, so a is 4, so b will be minus 4, and 0.2a plus c is equal to 0, so we can write this as c is equal to minus 0.8. Now if we put this value and this x of zs, okay, so the equation will be 4 by s minus 4s plus 0.8 divided by s square plus 0.2s plus 0.5. okay, now we can write this equation as 4 by s minus 4s plus 0.8 divided by this can be written as s plus 0.1 whole square, okay, plus 0.7 whole square, okay. So this is s plus 0.8, okay, and here we got s plus 0.1. So we need to convert this in form of s plus 0.1. So what we will do, we can write this x of z of s, that is 4 by s minus 4 s plus 0.1 plus 0.4, okay. This will be s plus 0.1 plus 0.7 whole square. Why we did this? Because s divided by s square plus omega square is nothing but cos omega t, okay. So this can be further expanded as 4 by s minus 4 into s plus 0.1 divided by s plus 0.1 square plus 0.7 square minus, this is 0.4 divided by 0.7 into 0.7 divided by s plus 0.1 square plus 0.7 square, okay. So this is in the form of omega divided by s plus a square plus omega square, and this is in the form of s divided by s plus a square plus omega square. So this is nothing but e to power minus at sine omega t, and this is e to power minus at cos omega t, right? So we can write this equation as x z of s is equal to, if we take inverse Laplace transformation, this will be 4 u of t minus 4 e to the power minus, this can be 0.1 t sine omega is 0.7 t minus 0.4 divided by 0.7, which is nothing but 0.57, okay, e to the power minus 0.1 t cos 0.7 t, okay, into u of t, okay. So this is the zero state response. So sorry, this will be in form of t, right? This should be x z of t. So what is x of t? X of t will be the summation of zero input response plus zero state response, okay. So we got zero input response from here and zero state response from this equation. If you add this, you will get the final solution.